Here's a question that might make you uncomfortable. Should schools spend millions on shiny new facilities while teachers nationwide struggle with inadequate resources and overwhelming workloads? Well, Amherst County Public Schools in Virginia just dropped a whopping $2.2 million on campus beautification projects, and they're not apologizing for it. As students walked through school doors this Wednesday, they were greeted by fresh coats of paint gleaming on every surface, brand new windows letting in natural light like never before, and smoothly paved parking lots that would make a luxury hotel jealous. But here's where it gets controversial. This is just the beginning of their spending spree. The district has already completed the initial phase of an eye-popping $32 million high school makeover. We're talking about a completely reimagined dining area where students can actually enjoy their meals, a state-of-the-art auditorium that rivals some college venues, pristine restrooms that don't make you hold your breath, and classrooms designed with modern learning in mind. Dr. William Wells, the district superintendent, defended these investments with a simple philosophy that some might find either inspiring or infuriating. Students deserve beautiful, clean spaces for learning. It demonstrates that both the community and school system are genuinely committed to investing in their futures. And this is the part most people miss. While other school districts across Virginia are desperately scrambling to fill empty teaching positions, Amherst County has somehow cracked the code. They've successfully recruited approximately 50 brand new teachers, along with several fresh principals, to replace the wave of educators who retired last year. The recruitment strategies we implemented during January and February, including those welcoming open houses for prospective teachers, have clearly delivered the results we hoped for, Wells explained with obvious satisfaction. Here's what makes this situation even more remarkable, or potentially frustrating, depending on your perspective. While school districts throughout Virginia are dealing with severe teacher shortages that leave classrooms understaffed and students underserved, Amherst County boasts full staffing levels. Their only remaining challenge? Finding enough bus drivers, a problem that seems almost trivial compared to the teaching crisis plaguing their neighbors. Wells couldn't hide his enthusiasm about both the district's staffing success and the impressive new additions to their educational team. But let's address the elephant in the room. Is this massive spending spree on facilities and full staffing levels actually translating into better educational outcomes for students? Or are we witnessing a classic case of prioritizing appearances over substance? Some critics might argue that $32 million could fund countless educational programs, technology initiatives, or teacher salary increases that would have more direct impact on student learning. Others counter that creating inspiring physical environments is essential for fostering academic excellence and student pride. What's your take on this approach? Should more school districts follow Amherst County's lead in making substantial facility investments? Or would those millions be better spent on direct educational resources? Are beautiful buildings and fully staffed schools the foundation of great education, or just expensive window dressing that distracts from more fundamental issues? Share your thoughts, because this debate about educational spending priorities affects every community, and your perspective matters in shaping how we invest in our children's futures.